Kidtory with Lily and Pablo. Ready, friends? One amazing fun fact coming up.
Butterfly life cycle. First, a female butterfly lays tiny eggs on plant leaves. The eggs can look different depending on the kind of butterfly.
Then the eggs hatch, and out comes a caterpillar. Caterpillars love to eat leaves and get bigger really fast. They have multiple body segments, 6 true legs near the front, and usually several pairs of tiny leg-like things along their belly.
Then after eating a lot, the caterpillar gets ready to change. It makes a special shell called a chrysalis to protect itself. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar turns into a beautiful butterfly.
And one day,
flutter, flutter, butterfly, wings so bright and sunny sky, orange, black, and colors gleam, dancing high. What do you see? Tiny egg on a leaf so green, shiny, sparkly, can't be seen. Waiting, waiting, day by day, butterfly baby's on its way. Caterpillar, egg cracks open, caterpillar, munch, 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 each leaf so viral, growing bigger, stretch, 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 fat and happy on leafy sketch, hangs like jay. Chrysalis time, magic happens, isn't it sublime? Sleeping cozy, changing inside, butterfly magic can't be denied. Butterfly.
Thanks for watching Kidtory! Did you have fun learning today? Like and share with friends, and subscribe to Kidtory for more fun!